Today's webinar, I'll be talking about artificial intelligence and future. You live with artificial intelligence and what will be our future. Feel free to drop question on topic or share your struggles and experience during this live session. We will answer your queries through chat. Let's start this session. This session is organized by Infometry. We are pure play data analytics company based out of Fremont, California, with our offshore development center in Bangalore, India. We came into inception back in 2010, and since then we have been offering domain-specific analytics solution for high-tech, energy, life sciences, retail, manufacturing, and finance customers. Infometry has been an engineering and consulting services partner for companies like Informatica, Matlian, Snowflake, Tableau, Adaptive Insights, Looker, etc. Infometry offers domain-specific analytics solution for high-tech, energy, life sciences, retail, manufacturing, and finance customers. In addition to the services, we have also developed more than 15 cloud connectors for IICS. One mentioned under blue blocks are developed and owned by us, and the rest all are developed by us only for the organization like Informatica, SAP, Calidus, etc. We have developed state-of-the-art analytic solution Infofiscus, which can be hooked to any on-prem or cloud CRM, ERP, or planning apps. Infofiscus is 100% cloud-based pre-built analytics software developed using open architecture. Infofiscus comes in 3 different flavors: finance, supply chain, and sales and marketing analytics. That's our quick introduction, and let's move to our today's agenda. Data is the new oil and artificial intelligence is new electricity. In this session, we will look at one of the most burning and interesting topic, that is artificial intelligence, which will help humankind to shape our future. In this session, we will look at what is artificial intelligence, what are various ways you can achieve artificial intelligence, difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. What are these abbreviations? Which are industries where AI is used? Popular AI tools present in the current market which can be used for productivity. Pros and cons of AI and future of the AI. So what is artificial intelligence? When we hear the word artificial intelligence, obviously there is something called as natural intelligence. When I say natural intelligence, it is nothing but the God gift we all have. That is the IQ we have, the intelligence that we are born with and human brain capable of. When this intelligence is mimicked or is programmed in machines in a way they can think, act, respond to human beings, to human wants, and to human needs, that is called artificial intelligence. In simple words, when the machine responds just like the way human beings do, so it is the ability of robot-controlled machine to do tasks that are usually done by humans. Example of AI are apps like Siri, Google Assistant. If you use iPhone, we have Siri. If you use Android phone, we have Google Assistant. So when you say Siri, call so and so person, open inbox, or play particular video on YouTube, it recognizes your voice and does the task for you. Other example will be Google Maps, which we use for navigation, and now it comes with Street View, which provides 360-degree views of designated road throughout its coverage area. You can explore landmarks, natural wonders, and experience places like museum, arenas, restaurants. Then self-driving cars like Tesla and robotaxi are the example of AI. Some of the country have already started using robotaxi services where driverless car will pick you and drop you to the specified location. What are the different ways you can achieve AI? Let us first understand that AI is main set. Under AI, we have machine learning, then deep learning. So AI is a science of getting machine to mimic the behavior of human to make machine act more like a human. In AI, we have machine learning, which is a subset of AI that focuses on getting machine to make decision by feeding them data. So when you feed some data to Google Assistant and it respond to your voice command, that is nothing but a machine learning. Google Assistant understand your voice commands and then it learns as and when you speak to it. Deep learning is subset of machine learning that uses concept of neural networks to solve complex problems. Day-to-day life example of deep learning are facial recognition, which is used to unlock your mobile phone, and chatbots, which you see in most of the websites or applications. Machine learning is an AI technique that teaches computers to learn from experience. Machine learning algorithm use computational method to learn information directly from data without relying on predetermined equation as a model. ML techniques are mainly divided into three categories, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised machine learning is based on supervision. It means in the supervision learning technique, we train the machine using the labeled dataset, and based on the training, the machine predicts the output. Here, the labeled data specifies that some of the inputs are already mapped to the output. More precisely, we can say first we train the machine with the input and corresponding output. Then we ask the machine to predict the output using the test dataset. Let's understand supervised learning with an example. Suppose we have an input dataset of cats and dogs image. So first we will provide the training to the machine to understand the images such as shape and size of tail of the cat and dog, shape of their eyes, color, height. Usually dogs are taller and cats are smaller, etc. After completion of training, we input the picture of cat and ask the machine to identify the object and predict the output. Now machine is well trained, so it will check all the feature of the objects such as height, shape, color, eyes, ears, tails, and find it is a cat, and it will put it in cat category. This is the process of how the machine identifies the object in supervised learning. Machine learning can be classified into two types of problems: classification and regression. So classification algorithms are used to solve classification problem in which the output variable is categorical, such as yes or no, male or female, red or blue. Some real world example of classification algorithms are detecting if email is spam or not. Regression algorithms are used to solve problems in which there is linear relationship between input and output variables. These are used to predict continuous output variables such as market trends, weather prediction, next month or year sales, like that. In unsupervised learning, the models are trained with data that is neither classified nor labeled, and the model acts on that data without any supervision. The main aim of unsupervised learning algorithm is to group and or categorize the unsorted dataset according to the similarities, pattern, and differences. Machines are instructed to find the hidden pattern from the input dataset. Let's take an example to understand it more precisely. Suppose there is a bucket of fruit images and we input it to machine learning model. Images are totally unknown to the model, and the task of machine is to find the pattern and categories of the objects. So now the machine will discover its pattern and differences such as color difference, shape difference, and predict the output of as the name of different fruits present in the basket. Unsupervised learning can be further classified into two types: clustering and dimensional reduction. The clustering technique is a way to group the objects into the cluster such that the objects with the most similarities remain in the one group and have fewer or no similarities with the objects of other group. An example of clustering algorithm is grouping the customer by their purchasing behavior. Dimensionality reduction is a way of converting the higher dimension dataset into lesser dimensions dataset, ensuring that it provides similar information. It is commonly used in the field that deal with high dimension data such as speech recognition, signal processing, bioinformatics. It Can also be used for data visualization, noise reduction. Then reinforcement learning works on feedback-based process, in which AI agent automatically explores its surrounding by hitting and trail, taking action, learning from experiences, and improving its performance. The reinforcement learning process is similar to human being. For example, a child learn various things by experiencing his day-to-day life. An example of reinforcement learning is to play a game where game is the environment. Move of an agent at each step defines states, and the goal of agent is to get a high score. So agent receives the feedback in terms of punishment and rewards in the game. There are various industries where AI is used. You can see it used across industry, be it finance, where it suggests you as per your appetite, where you can invest your money. It is used in gaming. For example, you get interactive experiences generated by non-player characters, or we call it NPCs, which are AI powered. It creates more realistic and engaging gameplay. It is used in astronomy, where AI is excellent at identifying known objects like galaxies or exoplanets. It is also quite powerful at finding objects or phenomena that are theorized but have not yet been discovered in the real world. AI in healthcare has been groundbreaking, reshaping the way we diagnose, treat, and monitor patients. This technology is drastically improving the healthcare research and outcomes by producing more accurate diagnosis and enabling more personalized treatments. It is used in transport, which includes intelligent traffic surveillance and control system to manage speeds. Vehicle nowadays interact with each other and the road infrastructure. It is used in agriculture, where AI provides farmer with the forecasting and predictive analytics to reduce errors and minimize the risk of crop failures. AI enables farmers to forecast temperature and predict how many fruits or vegetable harvest can yield. Then it is used in education, where AI is helping students to personalize instructional materials, automate routine tasks, and create adaptive assessment. It can recommend them additional material to study. Then AI is playing a crucial role in e-commerce by enabling business to analyze and understand customer behavior patterns, enhance the shopping customers shopping experience, and streamline various processes. It is helping in product recommendations, chatbots, personalized promotions, fraud detection, and many more. Then AI is used in film and television for content creation, post production, and marketing. In music, AI is used for music composition and production. Then AI is used in robotics industries, where AI people are focused on building humanoids robots, which will act more like humans and much more. Then AI is used in automotive industries to develop self-driving cars, advanced driver assistance systems, personal assistants. It is used further in social media and data security as well. Uh, Here are the popular AI productivity tools used in market. So Visual Suite is most advanced no-code computer vision platform to build, deploy, and scale your applications. ChatGPT is it is very like famous right now. It is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversation and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with the tasks such as composing emails, writing essays, and codes. Then Jupyter Notebooks provide an interactive computational environment for developing data science applications. Then we have Infosys NIA, the next gen platform tackles breakthrough business problems such as forecasting revenue, forecasting what products needs to be built, understanding customer behavior, deeply understanding the contents of contracts and legal documents, understanding compliance and frauds. Then Chorus.ai is an conversation intelligence cloud platform for sales teams that can transform conversation into data and insights. Then there is Observe.ai. It is fastest way to boost call center performance with live conversation intelligence. C3 AI is leading enterprise AI software provider for accelerating digital transformation. Then we have Google Cloud AI platform, which is a managed service that enables you to easily build machine learning models that work on any type of data or any size. Then we have Azure Machine Learning, which empowers data scientists and developers to build, deploy, and manage high quality models faster and with confidence. Then we have Salesforce Einstein. This is artificial intelligence technology that has been developed for the Salesforce customers success platform. Then we have IBM Watson. It is a question answering computer system capable of answering question posed in natural language. Then we have Data Robot, which empowers capable business analytics professionals to easily build and deploy highly accurate machine learning models without writing a single line of code. Then we have Tractable. It is a technology company that develops artificial intelligence to assess damage to the property and vehicles. Then there is Content DNA platform. It is powerful computer vision and machine learning based framework for content classification, which extract rich metadata about every scenes or the entire video, including emotions of the character depicted and the nature of action portrayed. So yeah, these are the popular tool in the market. Then the pros or benefit of AI are it can make new invention and innovations in the field of research and technology. We have limitation like we have our daily needs and require time to sleep, but AI is available on the clock for you. It can perform repetitive tasks which are boring for humans. They can reduce human errors as we may tend to become fatigue and make errors. But AI is a machine which will not make any error. It can be used in risky situations where the question of life and death, its decision are unbiased and it will not be biased towards caste, greed, or religion. It can be digital assistant for you. It can be used in daily application which can help reduce human efforts. Cons or disadvantage of using AI are like it has no ethics as humans. AI comes with high cost. It has no creativity. It only gives you what you feed into it. It is emotionless at the times when you need to make a decision based on your emotions. It has impact on education because student will not put the efforts to understand or learn the new things. It makes human lazy because before we used to get up and turn on or off the switch of particular room, but now you can even turn on or off the switch using voice commands. So humans tend to become more lazy. It increases, of course, unemployment because of automation and robotics. Now let's go back to the history of AI and how it is evolved till now. In 1950, Alan Turing introduced Turing test for determining whether or not a computer is capable of thinking like a human being. Then in 1956, term of AI was coined. In 1961, the first industrial robot replaced human at assembly line, followed by general purpose mobile robot developed at Stanford. In 1998, an emotionally intelligent robot Kismet was developed. Then in 2009, Google built first driving car for urban conditions. Then in 2011, Apple Siri and IBM's Watson were developed. In 2014, Eugene chatbot passed the Turing test. Then Amazon launched Alexa, a voice-enabled intelligent and virtual assistant. In 2020 and 21, Moxie, a social emotional companion for kids, is developed by Embodied. Then Earth's first autonomous beehive is developed by Beewise. And BrainBox AI is an AI system to predict a building's thermal conditions. Then in 2022, till now, ChatGPT, this is a AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Then Galactia is a language model by Meta AI, customized for scientific research. And then GitHub introduced its Copilot plugin, and Amazon its Code Whisperers for automatic code generation. Future of AI ML, I would say we are just getting started, just like a evolution of mankind. In future, we'll see the robots looking exactly like humans, the way it is shown in Hollywood movies. AI and ML will transform the scientific methods. It will enable next-gen consumer experience and will enable truly personalized medicine. We are just getting started, and now is just a tip of iceberg. AI will become pillar of foreign policy. AI will help us solve the climate crisis which the world is currently facing. The combination of evolution and culture made humans explorer and wanderers. We were born to explore and push outwards, so we will explore and expand into space using the help of AI. We have already started it with preparation of colonizing the Mars. In future, using the help of AI, we will experience the next gen advancement and experience in field of manufacturing, space exploration, education, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, entertainment, banking and finance, security and defense and workplace. So yeah, like these are the future prediction, and we'll have bright future. We are now open to Q&A. You can ask your queries if you have any.
Hi, Nayan. This is Shobha. Hey, thanks for the wonderful webinar. I'm just looking at Roger's message in the group. Do you want to comment on that?
Yeah. About that, it's a great question. I'll write down the query, and I'll reach out to you just after this webinar to answer your query.
Thanks, Nayan.
Hi, Nayan. Rohan this side.
Yeah, hi Ron.
Can you tell me what are neural networks in AI?
Okay. So neural network, you can say it is a method that teaches computers to process data in a way like it is inspired by human brain. So it will be like interconnected nodes or neurons in a layered structure, which will do the computation. So it exactly resembles the neurons from our human brains. So the way our neurons work in the human brains, so it is like that.
Oh, okay. Thanks. I had one more question. How AI will help in colonizing the Mars?
Yeah, like this is interesting. Like I'm also excited for this. Like if you see, Mars is a zero atmosphere and it is a deep freeze, right? And it has enormous dust storms, and there are like many complex problems for survivals if you colonize on the Mars. So to survive there, we'll need some innovative solutions. So AI can help us in determining like what will be the optimal shape of future Martian homes, where they should be located, how can we grow the food on Mars, how can we create like atmosphere, because if you know, on Mars we have like they say we have ice, but if we like if we increase the temperature, it might get converted into the water as well. So so these ways we can get help of AI to make Mars habitable.
Okay, got it. That's a great answer. Thanks for that. And I have a last question. It's pretty interesting. Will a artificial intelligence will like take over humans?
Mm. uh, like Roger said, like we are less concerned about the threats of AI, right?
Mhm.
Like there is little possibility that AI can there is possibility that AI can match our capabilities, or even it can surpass our human intelligence in near future. But that AI will not take human. It is just, I think, work of fiction. AI is supposed to like complement human intelligence, not enslave it.
Hmm. Okay, got it. That's great. Thanks. Thanks for the answer.
Okay.
So, hey Nayan, Padma here. So they say that, right, because of AI, employment will be reduced. So what is that you have to tell? Will there be any change in the human employment? Will AI reduce the human workforce?
Yeah, like I think in future it will create newer type of jobs. It will not. I will not say it will reduce the employment, but the kind of work we are right now doing, like AI will introduce the automation in current work, and maybe there will be different possibilities or different innovative solutions that these employers or people will look for. So I think if we are mm, if we get expert in AI generating the AI solutions, or in those things, so I think, yeah, there will be no issue of employment.
Oh, thank you.
Anyone have any queries?
I would still like to know how we protect ourselves against malevolent entities who
Sorry, again,
misuse the system.
sorry, can you please repeat?
Yeah, I'm still interested in knowing how we protect ourselves against malevolent individuals who misuse AI.
Yeah. So in like people, like, if you see, there are some white hat hackers and black hat hackers, right? So even if they get permission to some application, if they get into your application, they might misuse it. So we can build AI in such a way that I'm not sure right now about how can we prevent like misuse of AI. But if AI is programmed in such a way that it can it knows like human have some emotions, right? And he knows what is right for him and what is wrong for him. So if AI is designed in such a way that he knows what is right and what is wrong, so in that case, like, I think it is we are far from that like artificial intelligence have own emotions and they can think, they can know. Right now AI will take decision based on whatever data we feed into it, right? So right now I'm not sure about that. But yeah, in near future, if they grows emotion, then maybe they'll be able to automatically prevent from misuse by itself.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, then great. I think I have addressed all your queries. So this concludes the webinar, and you will receive an email containing the link to this broadcast. Thank you for your time. We hope you have learned and enjoyed this presentation. See you soon in the next webinar. Thank you.
Thanks, Nayan.
Thanks, Nayan.
Thank you.
Thank you.